Hello. If you want to learn REST Assured, this is my Runnable REST Assured Playbook. The repo link is in the top of the description and you can try it locally in 2 minutes. This is the README file. It explains everything, what is the project structure, and it gives all the run instructions. So there is a batch file that you can use to run this complete demo on your machine locally, and it also explains what each test does. This repo has two Java classes, BaseTest.java and PetApiTest.java. In BaseTest.java, the important line is that the base URI is given and REST Assured is going to use this base URI. All the Java classes that extend BaseTest will automatically get this URI. The other Java class is PetApiTest. It has the test methods and it extends the BaseTest. One test method is test get pet by ID. So what it does is that first of all it creates a body and then it sends a post request to create that entry on the server, and then it sends a get request to get exactly the same ID, and then it validates whether it is exactly the same ID or not. Then there are other tests, for example test create pet and verify, and also a negative test, test invalid pet returns the 404. Now let me run this using the instructions in the readme file and show you. So I'm running the batch file, and internally the batch file has a command mvn clean test. So it starts Maven, and Maven compiles the Java files, adds all the dependencies, and will execute all the test methods that are given in the PetApiTest.java class. Now the tests have started. Now the tests are complete. This is the test method. So first of all it sends a post request with this body, some random ID, some name and some status, and then this is the complete log, and in get we can see that it is getting exactly the same ID, same name and same status. Then this is for the deleting an invalid ID. So here the status code we are getting is 404, which is the negative test. And then this is another test method, and here the status code is 200, and this is the complete repo. So I hope you go to the playbook and you run this playbook step by step to learn REST Assured. Now let us hear the playbook explanation in detail.
All right, welcome. Today we are cracking open a playbook designed to help you master API test automation using REST Assured BDD style. So if you're someone who builds, tests, or manages APIs, trust me, this is something you're going to want to see. So let's just kick things off with a question that, well, it probably hits a little close to home for a lot of us, right? Are your API tests kind of brittle? You know the type I'm talking about. They work just fine on your machine, but then they break everywhere else. And then when you look at them 6 months down the line, you have absolutely no idea what they were even supposed to be testing. It's a super, super common problem. And you know, the root cause of this is often how we learn in the first place, piecing these together from scattered code snippets and random one-off scripts. But that's just not a sustainable way to work. Well, this playbook, it's the antidote to all that chaos. It's built to give you a professional and, more importantly, a repeatable ways to build really solid API tests from the ground up. Okay, so what actually makes this API Mastery Playbook? Well, it really just comes down to two key things: a solid structure and the practical, hands-on skills it teaches you. The secret sauce, the entire foundation of this approach, is something called behavior-driven development, or BDD. Now, the core idea is incredibly simple but so powerful. Your tests should read like plain English. By using this given, when, then format, literally anyone on your team, whether it's a product manager or a brand new developer, can read a test and understand exactly what the API is supposed to do. This completely transforms your tests from just cryptic code into living documentation. And that right there is the game changer. It gets rid of ambiguity, it makes collaboration way faster, and it cuts down on maintenance because the intent of every single test is crystal clear. So what are the actual skills you're going to walk away with? Well, this playbook really nails the absolute fundamentals for writing production-grade tests. You're going to get that BDD structure we just talked about, of course, but you'll also get the core building blocks of REST Assured itself. You'll learn how to make really specific checks using JSON path, how to validate status codes and headers, and it even gives you a complete project ready to go, all set up with Maven and JUnit 5. Plus, it comes packed with practical demo cases for those essential create and read flows, and even some negative tests. And you can see from this slide just how simple the project is. This isn't some bloated, complicated framework. You've got your pom.xml to handle all the dependencies. Your actual tests are in the PetApiTest.java file. There's a JSON template for your test data, and a simple script to run the whole thing. It's all intentionally minimal, so you can focus on learning the testing concepts, not fighting with configuration. But here's the thing. This playbook is about way more than just lines of code. It's really about a philosophy. It's built on these 3 pillars that are meant to elevate your testing from just ad hoc scripting to real professional automation. Let's really break this down, because this is so important. First up, reproducibility. We've all been there. Those scattered scripts are a total nightmare. They work on your machine, then mysteriously fail on a coworker's. This playbook, though, uses Maven to package everything up neatly, guaranteeing that your tests run consistently, everywhere, every single time. Second, readability. I mean, how many times have you stared at an old test script just trying to figure out what on earth it was supposed to do? The BDD approach turns your tests into that living documentation we keep talking about, so they're instantly understandable to everyone. And finally, extendibility. Those ad hoc scripts are basically dead ends. This playbook, on the other hand, is designed from day one to be a launchpad, something you can fork, customize, and adapt for any real-world project you've got. All right, I know what you're probably thinking. This sounds great, but how hard is it to get up and running? Well, the answer is it's incredibly easy. Seriously, we're talking about 2 minutes, from cloning the repo to seeing the tests run. No, really, it's just these 3 simple steps. You clone the repository from GitHub, you make sure you have a modern Java development kit and Maven installed, which, let's be honest, you probably already have, and then you just run the demo script. That's it. No complex setup, no database configuration, you just run it and it goes. And what does success look like? Well, you're going to see these super clear logs showing the API requests and responses, which are just invaluable for debugging. You'll see the test results pop up, and then you'll get this really satisfying final message: Session 1 demo complete. It's all designed to give you that immediate feedback and that awesome sense of accomplishment. Now, you should know this playbook isn't just some one-and-done tool. You should really think of it as the very first step on a structured learning path for anyone who's serious about API quality. So who is this really for? Well, it's perfect for QA engineers who are making that jump from UI testing into the world of APIs. It's for SDETs who are building out test suites that need to be integrated with CI/CD. And honestly, it's a fantastic resource for any engineer who's prepping for interviews and needs to show off some solid API automation skills. And as you can see from this timeline, the playbook is really just the starting line. It gives you the solid foundation you need for all the more advanced topics down the road. Things like complex JSON path, data-driven testing, handling tricky authentication flows like OAuth, and of course, integrating everything into a CI/CD pipeline with really great reporting. It's a whole learning journey. You know, when it all boils down, it comes to this right here. The goal isn't just to throw some code at you, it's to make sure you leave with a working, hands-on example, and more importantly, the confidence to take these patterns and apply them to any API you come across in your day-to-day work. So there you have it. The foundation for building professional, reliable, and readable API tests is right here waiting for you. The only question left is, once you get this playbook up and running, what API are you going to validate first?